back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. So last video I said that I ordered a part. It's been about a week since I've ordered that part, and that part's coming in today. As you can see in the title of the video, we are finally truly straight piping my truck. My truck has a 5-inch exhaust. I won't say straight pipe because it has a muffler on it right now. It's got a high flow muffler, which sounds really good. Don't get me wrong, but I've had it on for a year now. I'm kind of over it. It's not as loud as I want it to be, and I know this truck can be way louder and just sound a lot better. So we're going to be putting on some new parts today. We're waiting on the UPS man yet again for him to come and drop off our exhaust piece, and then we will be able to start this project of getting the muffler that's on the truck off the truck. And I got another big thing for you guys. So the tip came in. We all saw that video. The tip is on the truck now. At the end of that video, though, the truck was axle dumped. So what I have for you guys today is, if you haven't seen it on my Instagram already, I have the tip set up exactly how I wanted it. And I was really wrong on my calculations of everything. So I'm going to apologize for all that, because in the video, I said it was a 10-inch tip. It's actually a 7-inch tip. I'm not the smartest guy in the world. So when you have a diamond, you have 4 sides. The distance from one side to the other side, that is the distance that I needed to measure, not from one corner to the other corner. From one corner to one corner, that's 10 inches. From one side to the other side, that's 7 inches. It's a 7-inch tip. It just looks different. It looks a lot bigger because my neighbor is shooting off flares. It just looks a lot different because the way that it sits on the truck. But yeah, I'm kind of an idiot about that. And another thing is, I was really off on my measurements for cutting it, for cutting the tailpipe. So instead of cutting off 5 inches like I originally had thought we were gonna have to do, I ended up taking off 12 inches of exhaust. So now I just have this 12-inch piece of pipe here. Don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but we'll find something. But without further ado, here is the tip. Alrighty guys, so we have the tip on. I'm gonna move that so I can sit. So we got the exhaust tip on. American Outlaw Welding. Hot roll black is the gray. Arizona beige is the Arizona beige. So I cut off 12 inches of pipe, and now it sits exactly where I want it. So when you're looking at the truck, it's hidden behind the tire. It doesn't leave a lot of residue on the truck. A little bit, yeah, but not a whole lot. And if you're walking by, you can see the brand name on the tip, which I love. This is exactly how I wanted this to sit. It looks great, it sounds great, and it's amazing. But what I was saying earlier, so this is the actual width of the tip. I measured straight across. Yes, that's gonna come out to 10 inches because guess what? You're measuring the bigger side, because if you think about it, it's not actually a diamond, it's a square. It's just a square, as you can see. So I messed that up, and I'm really sorry, guys. So this is actually a 7-inch tip. Another really big thing I got coming is on Saturday, we're going to get the truck tinted. So finally, the truck will look a little bit more showcaseable, and you won't have that big fishbowl effect, which nobody likes. We're still waiting on our badges and our paint match stuff from James, which I've already seen the grill. He sent me videos of the grill. The grill's gonna look awesome. He's working the actual badges right now, so we're just waiting for those parts to come in. Those will come in, and then I think what we're gonna do after that, and after we get the tint done, is we're gonna take care of the lights. So I think we're gonna get a new set of headlights. I think I'm gonna go with stock housings, send those off to get paint matched, and then we're gonna get LED lights all the way around. And then I already have a set of tail lights that I want to send to James. I just haven't yet. Those are going to get paint matched to the truck and sent back here. And then I think I just had a spider on me. Not gonna lie. Those will get sent back, and we will be able to have a good time. With all that being said, here is the purpose of today's video. Gotta find my creeper. On the truck, we have this Mbrp 5-inch aluminized high flow muffler. So there's little ribs in there, and there's like insulation in there to kind of tone down the noise a little bit and keep the truck, you know, not as loud, which is respectable for like somebody who has a 5-inch exhaust and maybe they're older and they bought a 5-inch exhaust on their truck, and you know, they don't need all the crackle and cackle and loudness of a straight pipe. And it just comes with the kit, so I threw it on there. We got her on here all nice and pretty, but she needs to go away. I'm tired of it. So we're going to be getting a piece of 5-inch. We're going to be getting a piece of 5-inch straight pipe. It's a muffler delete pipe. 5-inch straight pipe. It's going to go all the way back and then obviously up over the axle, back out the tailpipe. And then that way I've got a 3.5-inch down pipe to a 4-inch connector into the 5-inch. And it's going to come straight through and sound a whole lot better. So once it gets here, we'll probably do a couple clips because Philip's coming over today. So we'll get a couple clips with this on there. As you can see, it's been raining here, so there's water dripping all over. But once Philip gets here, we're going to do a video with this on there so you can hear the sound with that on. And then once we put the new pipe on, we'll get a video sound clip of that. And you guys can decide which one you like better. I'm obviously already biased to the one that I want to hear, but I mean, hey. So we're going to do that. Ladies and gentlemen, it has arrived. As we see, the UPS man is leaving right now. We've just gotten our beautiful package. So I'm going to open this up one-handed if we can without stabbing ourselves on these big old staples. That's a whole lot of packaging for pipe. That's way down in there. Ooh. We can do this. We can do this. Come on. Come on. We can do this. I can't do this. We can do this. Oh, I had it, and then it slipped back down in the box. We can do this. Oh. 5-inch straight pipe, baby. Uh-oh. Oh, he's downloading the tune right now, actually. That's what that was. Look at Maverick. Back on stock wheels. I don't know. Apparently there's a method to the madness or something, but he's got that truck back on stock wheels again. Shame. But now the fun part comes in. And we have to put that on the truck. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to end up taking off the tip, the tailpipe, and the axle dump, because if you guys remember earlier when we were under here, it's beveled or baffled. I don't know how you pronounce it, or I know how you pronounce it. I just don't know which you use. But it's open-ended on that side, and it's obviously open-ended on that side. But the way that it flares out is like this piece is kind of just like stuck in the middle, if you know what I mean. So I think we have to remove all of this, so that way we can shimmy this off and get that one put on. Are you ready for greatness?
I just like this thing runs great.
I don't care about that right now, but this I'm excited about. My keys are in the house.
Don't matter. Put this on first.
Alrighty guys, so I just grabbed the keys to the truck. We're gonna get these sound clips for you with the muffler on, and then once we take it off and we put on our straight pipe, we will get more sound clips so you guys actually know how it sounds. Now I'm sorry if the exposure is really bad. The UPS man took a little bit longer than I was hoping for and a little bit longer than I expected, but like I was saying, we got to get started on it. I got to pull off pretty much everything from the back of the truck forward up until the muffler just to put that piece on, put it all back on. So this is going to be a process. I'm going to get started. I will catch you guys when we're done. Well, that was pointless because now I got to start my truck and you're not going to be able to hear it over his truck. Really? Really? You know that I need to get sound clips in my truck. Why would you turn yours on?
Yes, I'm gonna go test out real quick.
You gonna go get us dinner too?
What is that?
I don't know, you tell me. What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
You're useless. What would you like?
I don't know. We're in a conundrum here, people. I don't know what I want for dinner. Oh, I guess he's gonna take the phone from me.
Yes.
So this is our 31-inch aluminized 5-inch stainless steel, 5-inch aluminized straight pipe that we're gonna be putting on the truck. It's gonna sound good. So Philip's gonna go get food. I'm gonna get this exhaust taken apart after I give you guys some sound clips. And then once we're buttoning all this back up, Philip should be back and we can give you guys a way better sound because that's going to be on and not some silly muffler. Alrighty. Oh, almost dropped my phone. Alrighty guys, that was the exhaust with the muffler still on. Now, I'm gonna have to spend probably about an hour or so pulling this exhaust apart, putting the new pipe on, and sliding everything back into place exactly where I want it so that way the tip still looks good and it's all buttoned up nice and pretty. So I'm gonna get started on that. You guys enjoy the nothingness that is gonna happen because you guys aren't gonna see it. You're just gonna see the finished product in like now. Woo, doggy, we finally got that thing out. So I ran into a bit of a snag, guys. So while I was in the process of taking this off, that piece didn't want to come out of that piece. So I had to take that piece off down at the truck, down at the cab. And then Philip and I literally just yanked this out. As you can see, it's pretty much been heat treated and jacked up from rolling coal. So, I mean, these pipes get hot, they heat treat themselves, and that's how they stay together for the most part. But I got it out. So what I'm probably gonna do is spray some brake cleaner on here, wipe it off, and then that sucker right there is gonna go on, and this is gonna go on, then that's gonna go on, and then that's gonna go back on, and then we're gonna be able to fire up the truck, and I'm gonna have a straight pipe truck once more. So Philip, thank you for your help. We still gotta figure out what we're gonna eat tonight.
I already got it. It's on its way.
Okay, or food is on its way, I guess. But
well, it's been on its way.
Oh. Spray some brake cleaner. Wipe it off. You don't even need to rub that hard. So it's that simple. Brake clean does the job on literally everything and anything. That's what it looked like when I first got it. So yeah, I'm a dirty, raggedy mess. We're gonna clean this up. We're gonna put it all back together because I just want this thing back together and I wanna hear it run with a straight pipe. But before we do that, I figured I'd actually show you guys. This is the Mbrp high flow muffler. My neighbors are shooting fireworks off. But we're gonna see if you can see in there. Kinda, not really. But see if we can get it to focus. So all those little baffles help deaden the sound. And yeah, that's what was keeping the truck quiet and making us not have a great time. So, like I said earlier in the video, we're gonna hold on to that because when I get my 10 blade, we're gonna put that back on really quick. We're not gonna put the whole exhaust on. We're literally gonna pull the exhaust off, put that piece on, and then you guys will hear it with the muffler, and then we're gonna take it back off, put the straight pipe back on, and you guys will be able to hear it with the straight pipe. So, I guess it's time for a good old pipe job. I just gotta bend these baffles out a little bit and she should slip right on. Once she slips on, we'll clamp her down on one side, put the axle dump piece back in, clamp that down, and get the truck back together. So, I will catch y'all then.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so I'm obviously really dirty. Everything is back together. We got the straight pipe on. This is gonna be the first startup with my truck fully, truly straight piped, and well, I guess I'm gonna do it looking like a dirt merchant, but she's done. Philip, thank you for helping me. Philip helped me.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, you might wanna go get by the tailpipe. Oh my God.
His face is priceless.
Dude, did you hear that rumble? I mean, I knew that muffler muffled a lot of sound, but damn, that was a lot of sound.
The puppies are happy too.
The puppies are happy. The puppies need to eat. I need to go inside and wash up, and then we need to go for a test drive. After we eat pizza.
Yeah.
Dude, that is like, I am so excited. You have no idea, guys. Like, this is something I should have done forever ago. It really wasn't an expensive mod to do because it really just wasn't. Mbrp sells those pipes for 50 bucks. So, plus shipping, it was like, it came out to like 75 bucks, 77 bucks, something like that. And you guys hear the difference. Like, we already played that clip. Now we played this clip. And just wow. I hope I turn more heads now. That's all I can say. But
once that 10 blade gets on there, it'd be a lot better.
absolutely. So I'm gonna clean up. We're gonna eat some pizza. We'll catch up with you guys when we're going to go on this test drive and really like listen to how this truck sounds. So we will catch y'all then. Alrighty guys, so we weren't able to get the outro done yesterday, and it's really unfortunate, but I figured I'd do it really quick before I go to work. So, with all that being said, the truck sounds great. I cannot wait to get this 10 blade done. I think once I get it done here in the future, it's going to sound absolutely amazing, but I do love it the way it is right now. So, without further ado, I need to get to work. You guys do what you guys do the best. Hit that subscribe button, turn on them bell notifications if you can, because I'm still trying to get that fixed. Please drop a big thumbs up on this video and leave a comment for me on some other videos that you guys would like to see. I gotta get to work. I will catch y'all on the flip side.